Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. Well, I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a couple years ago. She is one of the best model from Office Rhythm. Okay, this is my subject today, and I have this pencil drawing type of image by Adobe Photoshop uses filter called Find Edges. Well, I'm going to use two images to get something creative, impressive image. Now, let's get started. I'm going to smudge the base image, so I'm going to duplicate this layer, and I'm going to turn one of them, turn it off to keep it. Then I'm going to work on this second copy, and I'm gonna use smudge tool with evolve, and well, I'm gonna go a little bit big size, opacity 50%, then roughly from outside. Isn't this a nice background studio setup? Well, almost done. Full background, surrounding, smudging image, kind of rough. Okay, now go for model. Right. That's all for smudging. Now I'm gonna touch up later. Now, pretty nice. Okay, we have this pencil drawing type image. I'm gonna check this. Turn it on. Change blend mode to, let's see, we see darken. Now, even though I smudged all the images, it'll show the sharp edge. Okay, change to color burn, linear burn. Color burn is pretty nice, especially this area. Goes a little darker, linear burn image. Overlay, that's pretty nice. Color cast. Yeah, I'm gonna remember this. Overlay, luminosity. I like this too. I kind of like this kind of what do you express? Well, what do you say? This kind of color, kind of half-tone image. Well, I want to check this. Make something. Fix this image. Well, about 65, maybe 60. Yeah, let's make it 60. Okay, smudge the base image as a group. Then duplicate this group. Then I'm gonna flatten. So we fix this image one layer now. Okay, just turn it off to keep it. Now I'm gonna go back to this base group. I'm gonna change back to overlay. Then this is nice. Opacity max. I think it's okay for max. A little bit to emphasize the colors of four corners. That's nice. And per legs, the color cast. Well, I'm gonna make this image again with this group. Now I'm gonna duplicate, then flatten this image. Now we got two images. One is the overlay effect. Then the other one is luminosity effect. So I'm gonna change name. This is overlay effect. Okay, overlay effect. Then this is luminosity effect. Okay, now I'm going to turn this base image off. Well, I'm going to work on, let's see. Okay, first of all, luminosity effect. I'm going to emphasize this image color. So I'm going to duplicate. Then I'm going to change the blend mode to multiply. Now we see two luminosity effect layers. Now this is much darker, right? So I'm going to merge down with the same luminosity effect and just color double the color effect. Then let's see, just keep it for this, then turn it off. Then I want to see overlay effect. What do you think? Maybe I can use this way, but maybe though. Well, turn on the base image now. Then change overlay effect layer. Change this blend mode, normal to color. Now on and off. It's nothing because I gotta turn this pencil drawing image layer. It's on now. Now I'm looking at base image, right? If you turn off this overlay effect, change to color layer off. This is a normal image color instead of the smudging image. Well, let's see. This is a base image. Then I'm going to turn smudge the image. This is the base original photo image. Now this is the one. Then just turn on the overlay effect layer on. It changed to color, right? Let's see why it's so ugly color on this instead of around here. I was expecting more emphasize these colors. It's not. Maybe change to overlay. Let's see. Or add. Or maybe the other way. When you see this base image, just test. Now I have image. I'm gonna turn it off this. Now I'm looking at this overlay effect layer. It's now multiply, bring back. Now I have this smudged image. Then let's see. Bring this smudged image out of this group, just under the overlay effect layer. Then now I have overlay effect layer, change blend mode to color burn, a little more darker color. Okay, just want to see. This is 50% color burn, touch more darker on four corners. Okay, turn it off. Then I want to check this luminosity layer on. Now change blend mode, linear burn. That's more darker effect, huh? Color burn. That's more impressive too. Well, I kind of like this kind of image too. About 60%. Okay, this is regular photo image smudged. Then I'm gonna add luminosity image layer, luminosity effect layer. Change blend mode to color burn on. 60%. Color goes more saturated, deep. That's one thing, that's good. But I want her face to be more touch regular image, so in this case, okay, today I'm gonna go for this luminosity image layer, luminosity effect layer with normal image to get something interesting image to finish up. Okay, now I have a regular image here. Let's see. Once I'm gonna save this image. This time I want to concentrate on luminosity effect layer with normal regular image and a smudged image. So I'm gonna save this image. I'm gonna go for overlay effect layer with base image is next time. I saved this image. Now I'm gonna make it simple. I'm gonna delete. Then I'm gonna keep this image go up underneath of the smudged image. Then I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image, go up to smudged image. Now I'm gonna delete this group folder. Now I'm gonna start from here. Turn it off, luminosity effect layer. Now I have this base image and I smudged this base image is this. Then I have pencil drawing type image here. Oops, oh, I changed overlay. Now I'm going to bring this one back to normal. Okay, we got the 3 images, and also I changed this smudge, pencil drawing type image, blend mode, change normal to color burn, luminosity. I'm going to turn these off, then show you this, bring this one back to normal. Now this is the image, base image with pencil drawing type image, change blend mode to luminosity effect. We got this image. Now I want to use this luminosity base image. Now this is the base image. Then I'm going to use luminosity effect layer, change blend mode to normal to color burn, which is this, pretty dark. So I'm going to tone down to about 60%. We got this image now. Alright, this is a starting point for today, and well, I want to change some her face. The color contrast is alright, but I guess there is black lines on her face, so I want to take that out. Let's see, how can I do that? Let me see. If I move this pencil drawing type image over that, then make mask. Well, beforehand, let's change. Let's see. Okay, this is normal, right? 100%. Then I make mask. Invert mask. Now we use the brush, airbrushing group to medium blend. I'm going to reveal this layer mask, of course, with white. Let's see. It just test about this much. And then change blend mode. Divide 40% on and off. This one's just take the color out. Saturation, hue, divide, lighten up some, maybe 30%, 20% about eyes. A little bit lighten up, which means just take the pencil drawing type image, divide from this luminosity effect. Goes a little lighter, show up more eyes. Let's see, I'm gonna review this mask. Touch later. Now color burn. It's 60, so 50. That's pretty impressive too. Yeah, I guess that's pretty nice. I like this. Yeah, I get luminosity effect add to this regular normal image. This one gives more impressive color tones. Then I add some divide pencil drawing type image on her face. Yeah, I guess that's it for today. Before complicated and confusing some what I do, but I just want to fix some shape of the border, huh? It's a little bit tilted this way, so I'm gonna fix that. Well, I can make mask or just keep the image like this. Then now what I can do, how about, well, let's see, just check. This is base image. Keep it group. Then I'm going to duplicate this group. Now flatten this group. I fixed this image. Then turn it off. This group. We got one image now. Okay, how about this? Just add layer. Then add rectangle, right? Now from here to about this. Yeah, now it's straight. Now what I can do is, let's see, okay, select the color, choose color, white, then fill in. Okay, I guess that's it for this. Then round, just smudge down, then smudge outside. Same brush, opacity about, then bigger size. Maybe this is the easy way to just fix this out tilting image, huh? Okay, now this is it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys support, and next time I'm gonna make something different image from the luminosity I saved already. That's it for today's work, and well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.